Okay, I'm Randy. Randy's 57 Chevy is my YouTube channel. You are?
Tom Faust.
Tom
Faust.
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 I know a Faust. Damn Faust.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about this. When did you get this? And what did it look like?
It was, we bought it in 2005.
Uh-huh.
And it didn't look like this.
Obviously.
Yeah. But it's all, it was, when we bought it, it's all matching numbers, all original. But it's
So,
just been outside.
meaning engine, trans,
Yeah,
rear end, all
matching.
matching
Yeah.
valve train.
All matching numbers.
Now, one thing that drew my attention is the amount of detail that you guys have done on this thing is unbelievable. And one of the things when you're restoring, and I've restored cars before, is when you replace these fender bolts.
Right.
And you need to align the fender.
Right.
Sometimes
Yeah.
you booger up the paint.
Right.
But it's beautiful. I cannot commend you enough on just everywhere I look, I see nothing but detail.
Thank you. It's a labor of love.
It has to be, because no one could afford this to be done by your, to have it done. And I never knew these were here. These are just like a
seals.
Right. Upper seal.
So what it does is it forces the air into the radiator instead of coming up and over.
Right, and
So,
I bet it helps a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, very beautiful. So was this a frame off?
Yeah.
Well,
So
really, on
this
these,
is a unibody.
right?
So,
On these would be drop the K-frame, and then
yeah, we just took it all the way down, and that's not what the plan was. But when we bought it, it ran, and we bought it in Adelanto and Phelan, and drove it down, and the ass end was moving all over.
Where the hell was somebody with this car out there? What were they doing?
He collected cars, and he bought
Really?
and he bought it.
You remember his name? No, that's not important.
I'll think of it.
Okay, let me ask you a couple questions. Are these the same wheels?
So these are aftermarket.
Okay.
Yeah, they're aftermarket. The original rims were
Dog dishes?
No, they were the stock steel with the
With the poverty caps.
Yeah.
I love that look.
Yeah.
That's beauty rings and poverty caps,
Right.
but
so
no.
we changed it. We put a little bit nicer rims and tires on it.
Yeah.
But this is the original color. This is B5 blue.
It just, and some people, when they do a dash, they do it wrong.
They overdo it.
They do it wrong.
Right.
This is just done perfectly, because it wasn't done perfect from the factory.
No.
It was really nice.
So he has a gasser. This is Jim Van Gordon. This is his car.
Jim, Randy's 57 Chevy.
Oh, okay.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
Yours is gonna be next, but when I just put the blower on last night, I'll button it up. But I race it mostly, Nostalgia, Tri-5 Nationals and all that.
Okay.
And I blew it up there. And on the way back, I picked up a sponsor, and he was able to put a lot of money in the car, and then he pulled the sponsorship and left me hanging with all this top-end stuff to do, but I got it done. So the blower's on, all they gotta do is put the fans on the radiator and fire it up. Go to my channel, Randy's 57 Chevy on YouTube. Sub to my channel. Your car will be featured on tonight, and in fact in a couple hours. And you see the type of cars I like to find and profile there, because just recording history.
Yeah.
A lot of these guys don't even have pictures of the cars. Can you believe that? Okay, your name again?
Tom Faust.
Faust, and this is
Jim Van Gordon.
Jim Van Gordon.
Right.
And
Jim's the one that helped me finish this whole.
Where do you guys live?
Alta Loma.
Alta Loma. Yeah. I didn't know you guys are hiding up there like this. That's beautiful. That is.
Yeah, Jim did a really good job of finishing.
I can tell just some of your stuff, Jim, you put thought to it. You don't just throw it together, do you?
No.
It's not part of your vocabulary, just throw something together. I mean, did you varnish these? Oh no! With plastic.
Well, this is plastic.
Are those varnished?
Yes.
Thought so.
Yep.
Thank you.
Actually, they're got surfboard resin on them.
Yeah, I knew it. I go, are you kidding me? So
And everything on it's handmade. The shock mounts, Earl Williams made the front subframe pieces for me. But
And how
shot-
far back do you go to the horn?
Go all the way back into almost even with the firewall.
Okay.
Yeah. And we fished. Earl made the fish plates for me. But we did everything at the shop. If you go to VanGordonRacing.com,
Okay.
the whole bill's on the internet.
Okay. So I had a cross ram on my car with, I was running dual Kendig Predators. Remember those?
Yes.
Could never get it to run. I had to put idle circuits in. So I sold the manifold. It went to a guy in Florida who made a recreation of the Munsters casket car, and that was the manifold that was on it.
Wow.
This stuff just ends up everywhere.
Oh yeah.
Looks nice. There's 4-speed in this? 5-speed? 4 or 5? 4. God, it's beautiful. Man, just... What axle? Is this a Speedway?
Nope. No Speedway shit on this thing.
Good.
It's all... A guy by the name of Whack Customs in Ohio made me a 5-inch drop axle. That's a 5-inch drop.
So what I did is I went with a 94 two-wheel drive Jeep axle. Ain't gonna bend. It's not gonna bend.
Yeah, this one won't bend either. Yeah, 'cause that Speedway stuff is a joke.
No kidding. I can't believe I see these guys with it. It almost looks unstable the way it's tucked so far in. I think.
It's not wide enough.
Yeah, it's not wide enough at all. What are those headers painted with?
I didn't hear
The headers, you painted those with just high temp paint?
No, it's white ceramic. So they're silver coated, then lightly glass beaded, then white ceramic on top of it.
Wow.
That's the way we get it to stick.
I bet. Beautiful, man. You just did an absolute job. Gee, it's like not too much and just enough. I like it. I like it a lot. Rear end's a 9-inch? 9-inch?
No, 57 Pontiac.
Poncho, yeah. 31 spline?
35.
35.
Yeah, we had the axles made when Mark Williams made the axles.
Oh man, that must look good underneath there. Excuse me. I can't bend down. I'll look at the detail later. Is the roll bar connected to the frame?
Yes. Yeah, there's outriggers on the frame.
Outriggers? And on the back, would you have to do a
There's a cross member.
cross member there? See, I got a back seat.
It's got a
I have a back seat. That's why I say I have to go over the top and down.
It's a real 150. So
Yeah.
it was a mob ball car or a corporate car, as some guys called them. Business coupe. But
Didn't have a back seat, did
Didn't
it?
have a back seat, no up and down windows.
I'll be damned. That's right. I had a 56 Del Rey that probably was one step up because the back windows did roll down, but didn't have a back seat. It was a salesman's car. God, it smells fresh in there. It's just,
That's right on.
maybe because of the heat.
Actually, it's 14 years.
Yeah, that sure is nice. I mean, this was the car we used back in the day.
Oh man.
But the problem was, it was never this nice.
Oh,
you know.
we had primer, that's all we could afford.
Well, and it's kind of ironic now that hot rod, everyone's a hot